Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use file covers. First, understand that a file cover is more than just a protective layer. It's an essential organizational tool for your documents. They shield your important papers from spills, tears, and general wear and tear, ensuring they remain in pristine condition for years. Learning to use them effectively will streamline your workflow and keep your information accessible. File covers come in various materials, each offering unique benefits. Plastic covers are excellent for documents needing extra protection against moisture or frequent handling, often featuring a clear front for visibility. Cardstock and pressboard options provide a more traditional, sturdy feel, ideal for reports or presentations. Consider the document's purpose and handling frequency when choosing the best material for your needs. Using a file cover is straightforward. Begin by gathering all the documents you intend to organize. Carefully insert your papers into the cover, ensuring they are neatly aligned to prevent creasing or tearing. Most covers have built-in fasteners, such as two-prong clips or slide bars, to securely hold your documents in place. Always double-check that all pages are firmly secured before closing the cover. The primary benefits of using file covers include preventing lost pages and maintaining a clear, organized structure for your documents. This organization significantly reduces the time spent searching for specific information, boosting your efficiency. Regularly wipe down plastic covers or replace worn-out cardstock ones to keep them looking good. This helps maintain a professional appearance for your work. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your spaces fresh. Remember, a well-maintained file cover reflects a well-organized mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.